antiseptics. What are the common chemicals that are used as antiseptic, and why antiseptics are used? Which chemicals are called as good antiseptics? We discuss about all these points in this video lecture, so watch this video up to the end. And before starting this video, I would like to say that if you are watching first video from this channel, then subscribe it right now and press the bell button to get new video upload notification. And I am Atanu Betal with you and discussing this topic. So let's start our discussion regarding the topic antiseptics. Antiseptics are those chemicals that having the property of killing or preventing the growth of microorganism in living tissues. Okay, in living organism we apply these chemicals, means antiseptic chemicals. Antiseptic chemicals are those chemicals that can kill or prevent the growth of microorganism in living body. Okay, these chemicals are used in living beings body, not for non-living being body. These chemicals are only for only applied for or you can say these chemicals are special chemicals for the living organisms, living tissues. Okay, so these chemicals are used to reduce the odor in odor present in the body or in, you can say, in mouth due to the bacterial decomposition. These antiseptic chemicals are used. So some examples of antiseptic chemicals that I am making a list of some antiseptic chemicals. This list is very important because in school or college examinations this question comes from this antiseptic topic. That time it will be easier for you to answer the question, because if you know the list of some common antiseptics. Okay, so I am making this list, and you can think about a good project. If you have to submit a project in school or college, then you can think about this project, means antiseptics. This project, I think, have a huge number of applications. About these chemicals have huge number of applications, and for this reason you can use this topic. So right now we go for the list of antiseptics. The first one that I make is the surgical spirit or ethanol or isopropanol or isopropyl alcohols or propanol. These chemicals used for means in medical purpose. Before applying injection, these chemicals used to rub the alcohol, to rub the hand, and is called also rubbing chemicals and rubbing alcohols. Next example which is used as antiseptic is hydrogen peroxide, and sold as the brand sold as in the form of parhydrol hydrogen peroxide, which is used to the time when mouth infection occurs. Mouth infection, for mouth infection, this parhydrol is hydrogen peroxide is used. Benzoyl peroxide, another important antiseptics. Next antiseptic is chlorine, Cl2. Chlorine is a good antiseptic chemical, 0.2 to 0.4 ppm parts per million, 0.2 to 0.4 ppm solution of chlorine is used to purify drinking water. To purify drinking water, 0.2 to 0.4 ppm chlorine chemical is used. Okay, next example is iodine. Iodine having a good antiseptic property, and in the form of tincture of iodine, where iodine is mixed in a solution of ethanol and water, which is called tincture of iodine. Iodine is a good antiseptic. Next example is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide used in lower concentration as an antiseptic. Next form is iodoform. Iodoform is a good antiseptic whose chemical formula is CHCl3, is CHI3. Okay, CHI3 is the chemical formula of iodoform. Next, bithionol. Bithionol is a good antiseptic. Boric acid, eye wash. For eye wash purpose, the boric acid is used. Boric acid act as antiseptic. Dettol, you know, very common. Dettol, Dettol, Savlon. These are in day-to-day life we use these chemicals. So these are acting as antiseptic. Next, phenol. Phenol in lower concentration means 0.2% solution acting as antiseptic, and in higher concentration phenol is acting as the disinfectant. Okay, so in lower concentration phenol can be used as an antiseptic. These antiseptic chemicals are used in soap, used in where soap, in powder, face powder. These antiseptic are used. Okay, and antiseptic are applied in the wounded area or diseased skin. This antiseptic is used. Okay, wounded area, diseased skin, these antiseptics are used. So you already understand this topic, that how antiseptic chemicals are useful for our day-to-day life. Okay, our day-to-day life, these antiseptic chemicals are very useful, very useful chemicals. We use these chemicals in our day-to-day life in large quantity. Okay, in sorry, not in large quantity, in you can say in day-to-day life we use these chemicals almost every day. So that's why we have to know about that, what are antiseptics and which chemicals are present in the antiseptic compound or antiseptic that we used in our daily life. So that's the discussions regarding the antiseptics and antiseptic chemicals and some important antiseptic chemicals that are used in our everyday life. So that's the discussion. I think you understand this topic well, that what are antiseptics and some common examples of antiseptics. If you have any questions about antiseptic topic, then you ask me in the comment section and I would answer your question. Okay, so at the end of this video I would like to say that if you do not subscribe this channel up to now, then you can subscribe this channel right now, and you can watch the other videos from this channel. You know, in this channel you can get the education related videos, means chemistry subject, and all the education related videos from I cannot say all, but some videos that are already uploaded in this channel. You can watch that videos if you like. So that's the discussion. Thank you for watching this discussion.